how to log out of all devices on Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log your Roblox account out of all devices within the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. So this can be useful if you think someone has access to your account and you want to kick them off your account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply select More in the bottom of the Roblox app and then scroll down and select Settings. Once in the settings, select Security. Then all we need to do is scroll all the way down, and here you'll see all the different devices and sessions where your account was logged into. It's going to show you the location and the device, and also if it was a browser, it'll show you what browser that was on as well. So it might say iOS, and that's an iPhone, or Android if it's an Android phone, or Windows if it's a Windows computer. If you want to log all devices out, simply select Log Out of all other sessions right here, and that'll keep your current device logged in, but it'll log out every other device. Additionally, you can log out an individual device by simply selecting it and then selecting Log Out of Session. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.